Hey everyone, Imran from Car Sound Security. Just finished doing front and rear dash cameras on this Honda Civic 2018. So let me just show you the install. So it's front and rear dash cameras. There's the back one, neatly fitted with minimal cable exposure. And this is the front one. Just there, so it's all routed through quite neatly. You also get an app for it, so I'm just connected to it on this iPhone. So if I just basically, you can switch between the two. That's your rear, that's your front, and home, there's your main app. You can adjust all the sensitivity in parking mode and shock. The camera, front and back cameras will record if there's an impact while the car is parked up. So, you know, if you have someone pulling out and scrapes the back of your bumper, it will record everything, and the camera will actually talk to you when you get back to the car. So if you're interested in getting this safety product for your car, get in contact with us. Thanks for watching.